Hi everyone, this video will show you how to install and set up Screencastify. Start by searching for Screencastify and then click the result for screencastify.com. Look for the Add to Chrome button and click that, and then click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. When you see this message, you can see that it's installed successfully. So the next thing you need to do is set it up so that it saves your videos to Google Drive. So you definitely want to sign in with Google because it's important that the videos are saved to your drive. It also makes them easier to share. So you need to allow permission for the camera, microphone, drawing, and annotation tools. Then click Allow. And that is all that you need to do to get it installed and configured. And you can see the pop-up that tells you to click the icon to get started. And when you do that, there are three options. Browser tab only records the one tab that you have open. So if you don't need to open any other windows or switch screens, that will work. Desktop records everything. It's useful when you need to switch between screens or pull up other programs or apps. And then webcam only just turns on the camera and shoots a video of you. So if you don't need to record anything that's on your screen and you just want to record a message that's recording you or whatever's in front of your camera, that's what that option does. So give that a try and see how it works for you.